Hello again, guys. Brian from Apex Detail. Been looking at a product, Duragloss 751, formulated mostly to be a water repellent for glass. But this bottle here could do a lot. 22 ounces for under 15 bucks. Not only is it a water repellent, but it can clean. It cleans, it protects all in one step. You don't need more than one product to get this done. But it will clean and protect all painted surfaces as well. Painted surfaces on your car, your wheels, chrome, anything that's non-porous. It will clean traffic film, bug splatter off the front of your car. It's versatile for under $15, and I just wanted to bring this to your attention. We're going to take a look at some off-label use with this as well. Let's get started with the video. Duragloss's application is a piece of cake. After you have washed your car and it's still wet, grab the clay bar and take care of cleaning your windshield, decontaminating anyway. Alright, with that done, this being a cleaner and protectant, we're good to go. Cleans and protects in one application, leaves water repellent finish behind, safe for all types of glass. But not only all types of glass, recommended for cleaning painted surfaces, plexiglass, chrome, and non-porous surfaces. So we will use this non-streaking formula, give it a shot, spray it right on the windshield, massage it into the glass. I'm going to put some on the hood here as well. We have some storms coming in tonight, later tonight or tomorrow. See how this works. Really not a whole lot of streaking as I can see. I'll bring you in close for this side application over here. User friendly, really not any streaking, and you could feel the slickness right away. Whatever this is in the formula makes it really slick. Let's do the hood here. When these storms come rolling in, we'll see how repellent this stuff really is. Not streaking on the paint either. I know it's hard to see through the camera here outside, but on a silver car, but it flashes kind of quick. And it is definitely making the hood really slick. With storms that rolled through the next morning, I went out for a drive, had the camera rolling. I'll shut up so I can turn on the wipers every once in a while. You'll hear no streaking, no squeaking, no dragging across the windshield like some of the coatings do. We also put it on the hood. Let's take a look at that as well. I like what it's doing so far, so let's get it on the test panel and play with it a little bit here. I'll prepare this panel, mask off an area. Let's apply this. Let's see if it adds gloss, since we could use it for painted surfaces, chrome, so that means wheels as well. See if it increases gloss. Okay, we have an area masked off in the unprotected side of the hood of the door here. Let's apply the Duragloss 751. But before we do, let's get some gloss readings in this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Average reading 89.3. It mentions nothing on the bottle about bumping up gloss. It's all about protection and repelling water. However, since it's so versatile, let's see for ourselves if it bumps up gloss. Let's get it applied. And that's all it's to it. I'll bring you in for this second coat, show you how it flashes as we apply. That's really all you need. Bring in a microfiber, work it into the area, and then flip it, and you'll see it starts to flash. It's applied that quick. All right, I had some stuff to do. It's been a couple hours. It doesn't mention cure time either. It does feel slick, so let's take a couple gloss meter readings and see if it bumped up the gloss in this section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so it actually did jump up to 91.5. It's actually higher than the crap product we just tested in the last video, which was meant for gloss. So an added plus. For $14.99, under $15, you have a product that is versatile. For the final thoughts segment of the video, for the price and what it can do for you, I thought I would bring it to your attention. I'll put a link down below if you want to look into it further. But the Duragloss 751 is a cleaner / rain repellent for glass, but also works on painted surfaces, wheels. You saw how it repels water. It does its job. But surprisingly, not even on the label, it does bump up gloss. Bumps up gloss in some of the other stuff that's meant to bump up gloss. So take that information, do with it what you will. Duragloss 751, the link will be down below. Brian from Apex Detail. Have a good one. See you in the next video.